simplify this. Now this is a little bit different, and you have to do something here called the conjugate. But if you forget the word, remember this from Algebra 1. If you multiply a plus b times a minus b, you get a squared minus b squared, the difference of two squares. We're going to use this to manipulate this denominator to lose that radical. So this is 3 plus the square root of 2n cubed. Let's take the top and the bottom times 3 minus the square root of 2n cubed, which is like this a plus b, a minus b thing. Now whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Multiplying straight across, we end up the numerators multiplied together, but then what you have on the bottom is the 3 will be squared minus this whole radical thing squared, and when you square a square root, that square root just cancels out, and you end up with 9 minus 2n cubed. You get whatever was on the inside. Now on the top, I multiplied that out with distributive property. Then I look at this numerator. You see this n cubed that's underneath the square root sign? I can pull an n out of there. So you end up with 12 minus 4n square root 2n over 9 minus 2n cubed. There is nothing else I can factor out of there, even though there's n's all over the place. This 12 doesn't have an n factor, and the 9 doesn't have an n factor. So the best we can do is put a box on it.